Population and sample are very important terms in probability and statistics. Let's understand what is the difference between them. Now, let's get started.
Now let's understand these concepts population and sample with example. Suppose this big circle is the set of all the people from a country, let's say India. This is called the population. Suppose I want to estimate the average height of a person. One way to solve this problem is take each person from the population and take sum of all the person's height. That means sum of all 1.40 billion persons height and divide it by 1.40 billion to compute the average height of a person. This mean is called the population mean and we denote it by mu. This is nearly impossible to compute average height of an entire country. So we estimate it. To do that, we take a sample. So this big circle is the population, and since we can't measure each person's height from the population, we take a sample. So this small circle is called a sample. Suppose we have taken a sample of size 50,000. Since I can't compute average height of 1.40 billion person, I take a random sample of size 50,000 and compute the average height. This sample is basically a subset of population. So here we will take sum of all these 50,000 persons height and we divide it by 50,000. This mean is called sample mean and it is denoted by x bar. If I have collected my sample in such a way that I have randomly picked 50,000 persons, such a sample is called a random sample. In a random sample, we need to ensure that we get person from all regions of the country in the proportion of that they are in the population. One thing to note here is as sample size increases, sample mean tends to population mean. It will come closer and closer to population mean as sample size increases. So this is the difference between population and sample. So population is set of all the events or the observations where sample is the subset of the population which we have taken to estimate about some statistic or some property of the population. Here that property or statistics is height that we want to measure from the population. The numbers we obtain from population are called parameters and the numbers we obtain when working with a sample are called statistics. So this is the reason the subject we are studying is called statistics. Working with population is very expensive and time consuming task. That's the reason we draw samples randomly from population and do analysis on the samples. In terms of machine learning context, we can think of it like if we are trying to solve problem using machine learning, the data we use is called sample data which has been taken from the population.
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find the content valuable, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Gunjan Warde signing out until we meet again.